quick reminder about techniques and methods today, my creatives. I don't know about you, but my inbox tends to be full of here's how to do the thing. And sometimes they agree and sometimes they don't. And sometimes they're helpful and sometimes they're not. And there are a million courses you can take for free or not. And there are books and podcasts and all kinds of things. And all of that is great. But there's one thing you need to remember. All of those things are tools. Nothing more. None of them are magic pills. None of them are, one push buttons that'll get you going. And the thing is that these tools will fit different circumstances and different projects and different people. Because they're tools, you can use the one that works when it works. You don't have to be married to any single one of them. You're not stuck. And you don't have to label yourself. You're not a pantser or a plotter. You are what works. All that matters is that the tool you're using works. So with that in mind, by all means, fill your repertoire. Get all the advice you can. Take it all in, register it. Just don't assume that advice is all there is to creating and the only way you can do it. The way you do it is the way you do it. And that means mixing and matching and using whatever the heck works. Okay, my fellow creatives, fill that tool chest. Then sit down with me and let's make something new.